I'm going to share with you a real success story from one of my students that will do nothing but inspire some of you guys. This student of mine is a foundation tier student, and they were once told by their maths teacher this year that in their 25 years of teaching, they have never seen a student as bad as them. Basically saying to them that they won't pass in maths. Now, just imagine what this student was feeling, what their parent, her mum, was feeling. Now, fast forward to today. They were picking up the results from the school. Sir, I got a grade 5. I'm like, come again? Grade 5. Yes, sir, I got a grade 5. I had to ask this student 3 times to repeat their grade. Now, grade 5 is the highest mark that you can get on the foundation tier. Most students, they struggle to just get a grade 4. This student was telling me that they got a grade 5. I literally had to sit down to take this news in because I wasn't expecting a 5. A 4, yes. We certainly worked together very hard to get a grade 4, but a 5. After congratulating this student and telling them that they even took me by surprise with this 5, I said to them, do you remember what that teacher said about you? She's like, yes, sir. He wasn't even there. And I said, don't worry. They know your result. They get it the day before. But don't make it about them. It's not about you going to find that teacher to say, look what I got. One of the advices I gave to that student at that time when that whole incident happened many months back was to tell them that teachers are just a small part of a person's journey. The overall journey is yours. This is your story. You write the book. Because what happens is when you let people in your life, whether it's a friend or a teacher or anybody for that matter, cause such a huge mindset shift in you, it prevents you and it stops you believing in yourself and what you can actually achieve with your full potential. Now, the moral of this story, the lesson that you should take away, and I want you to take away, is that you should never let other people define what you are, what you can be about, because it's not them that control things. It's always in your hands, and sometimes we look for excuses not to do actions that will propel us to higher heights, because it's easier to point the finger and say, this person said I'm not good enough, so therefore I'm not. This is an example of a student who really believed in herself, and because she believed in herself, because she had the network, the support from her parent, from myself, she was able to achieve big things like this. So anyone who's a foundation student, use this as a motivation. It's not as bleak as you think it can be.